Good morning, students. In the last class, you learn about what is meant by ICT, role and importance of ICT, and ICT in our daily life. Today, we are going to learn the topic basic components of computer system. This is already learned in our junior class. Now, I'm going to recall these topics. The computer system contain the two main parts, that is hardware and software. You already know this one. What is meant by hardware? These are the physical devices of your computer system which you can see and touch. The hardware has three main devices. One is the input devices, another one is output device, and the next is the processing device. So first I will explain input device. What is the input device? The input device are those hardware devices that make input from external world. That is, input devices enable you to enter data into your computer. You already know about two most commonly used input device, keyboard and mouse. And the next is the output device. Output devices enable the computer show you the desired result and information. You already know about the most commonly used output devices, monitor, speaker and printer. Apart from these devices, there are other devices that can be used when needed. These devices are usually added to the computer when specialized requirement exist. For example, scanner, MICR, digital camera, drawing tablet, touch screen, web camera, etc. And the next main devices in the hardware processing device. There is a central processing unit or CPU. It's the processing device of a computer system. It is the brain of a computer. It only make all the required calculation and process data into information. It control all the input and then output devices. The processing device contains three main units, that is ALU, CU and MU. What is mean by ALU? That is arithmetic and logical unit. What are the arithmetic logical operation? You know, arithmetic means that is addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, logical as well as relational operation such as and, are, greater than, less than. And then this ALU, it perform all the arithmetic computation and logical operation. It perform the mathematical calculation involving addition, subtraction, division, multiplication as well as relational operations such as and, are, greater than, less than. And the next unit is the control unit. It's only control and coordinate the activities of all other unit of computer system. For example, it decode the instruction, determine the storage of the instruction and data. It take the data to the ALU and from the ALU to memory and the output unit. The control unit only control and coordinate all the activities of your computer system. And the next unit is the memory unit. It is the important part of our computer. Memory unit only receive the data, hold it and then deliver according